Hello students, welcome to my geography class. Today we are going to learn about the northern plain of the second chapter of class 9th geography. So let us start the topic. The northern plain has been formed by the interplay of the three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. So let us understand this paragraph with the help of picture. As I read that the northern plain has been formed by interplay or interaction of three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. Here tributaries means a small river that join a large river. These rivers actually deposited alluvium at the foothills of Himalaya over millions of years to form their fertile plain. Actually, the northern plain has been spread over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer. It is about 2400 kilometer long and 240 to 320 kilometer broad. Because of fertile alluvial soil, adequate water supply and favorable climate, it is agriculturally a productive part of India as well as densely populated physiographic division. As we know that the northern plain has been formed by the rivers coming from the Himalaya, which are involved in depositional work in the lower course. These rivers get gentle slope, that is why the velocity of the river decreases, which results in the formation of riverine island. Here you can see it is riverine island. And what is riverine island? So riverine islands means a land mass formed within a river. As you can see here, these islands are formed by the changing course of a river. World's largest riverine island is Majuli in the Brahmaputra river in Assam. Finally, the rivers in their lower course split into numerous channels due to the deposition of silt. These channels are known as distributaries. Now we are going to discuss the next topic of the northern plains. You should know that the northern plains have been divided into three parts. So this can be understand division of the northern plain. So as you can see here, the northern plain is broadly divided into three sections: the western part, the central part and the eastern part. So one by one we will understand the western part of the northern plain. This is the western part. Okay, so the western part of the northern plain is referred to as the Punjab plains, formed by the Indus and its tributaries like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and the Satluj river. This plain is dominated by the Doabs. The second one is the central plain. The central plain can be referred to the Ganga plain, and it can also be referred to UP and Bihar plains, formed by the Ganga river and its tributaries like Gomti, Gandak, Ghagra, Kosi, Yamuna, etc. It is spread over the state of Haryana, Delhi, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. The third one is the eastern part. So the eastern part of the northern plain is referred to as the Assam plain, formed by the Brahmaputra and its tributaries like Dihang, Dibang, Lohit, Kenula, etc. So in this way we got that the northern plain has been divided into three sections. As we all know that the northern plains are generally described as flat land with no variations in its relief, but this is not true. The vast plain also have diverse relief features. On the basis of variations in relief features, the northern plains can be divided into four regions. So the first one is Bhabar. This is Bhabar. What happens actually here? The rivers, after descending from the mountains, deposit pebbles in a narrow belt of about 8 to 16 kilometer in width, lying parallel to the slopes of the Shivalik. So all the rivers disappear in this Bhabar belt. Now the second one is Terai. What is Terai? So south of Bhabar, the rivers re-emerge and create a wet, swampy and marshy region known as Terai. This was very thick region, very thick region of covered with forest area full of wildlife, but now forests have been cleared to create agricultural land, and nowadays different kind of crops are grown over here. The third one is Bhangar. Actually, it is formed of old alluvium. It lies above the flood plains of rivers and present a terrace-like feature. The soil in this region contains conker. That is why it is less fertile. The fourth one is Khadar. It is composed of new alluvium. It is found near the lower levels in the plains near the rivers. It is renewable almost every year, and because of that it is very fertile land. So this was all about the northern plains. In the next video we will discuss the Peninsular Plateau. Till then, goodbye.